Alright, we're lining up for takeoff. When those engines start revving up.
This time of day, you must be busy.
It is. Okay, you hear those engines firing up? Here we go. Little shake, rattle, and roll going on. Okay, there, we're off the ground. Got that nose stuck up, don't he?
I want to do this to make sure the drink don't spill.
Alright, we're on our way. Logan International Airport, our destination. 629 miles. Check out this little screen in front here. Guess it's showing what the pilot sees. Okay. To the next episode.